This is Ben Watson in Kentville, Nova Scotia with the Annapolis Turf and Tractor Company. If you're looking for us, we're right beside Go Power Sports in Kentville. You can't miss the sign. Mahindra tractors, #1 selling tractor in the world. I'm going to show you one of their subcompacts, the under 20 horsepower series. This is a Mahindra eMAX 20 HST with a cab, hydrostatic transmission. And we're having a snow day today. Woo! You've got a 48-inch snowblower mounted up front, powered by the mid-PTO. And we're running around 2,000 RPM right now. It'll put out 19.4 horsepower at 3,000 RPM. And your PTO horsepower is 14.6. This model has full cab, and that's a heated cab. And my brother Jeremy here is happy that that's a heated cab. You're looking at a 66 cubic inch displacement on this motor. So larger motor. It's going to run quieter. It's going to run smoother and cooler. Excuse me. To give you a good look at that. And you're looking at 1,800 pounds weight for this subcompact tractor. Mahindra gives you a 7-year warranty, 3,000 hours runtime. And just look for the red door and you'll find us. That's the Annapolis Turf and Tractor Company. And this mighty little tractor, I would call the Swiss Army knife of tractors. And you can put a mid-mower on that. You can put a loader on that. It's a quick connect. Post hole digger, a rake. There's a long list of the products that you can add to that. Again, my name's Ben Watson. It's the Annapolis Turf and Tractor Company, Kentville, Nova Scotia. Drop by, give us a call. Happy to help you any way I can. Thank you very much for your time.